If you've been following me through 2019, you would have cooked and enjoyed many of these quick and simple recipes. With 50 new recipes and over 500 old ones, I'd love to know which ones were your favourite. Let me know. I also hope that you've been inspired to travel by watching my travel vlogs. As you know, it's fun to cook at home, but it's also great when other chefs or people cook for you. Last year, I took you along to Italy, to Dubai, and to Lombok, Indonesia. I'm always so amazed to see how much each country has to offer, both in food and in culture. Each time I travel, I seem to return a better version of myself, and I hope to meet many more of you in my future travels. Now, which country would you like me to visit next? Let me know in the comments. Okay, let's rewind back to Italy. We arrived in Rome, visited the Spanish Steps, had artichoke tortellini, a mushroom and truffle pizza. I showed you the sights and we caught a train to Castel Gandolfo, where the Pope has his tiny little summer house. Remember this place? A medieval restaurant with a hidden passage. What about this restaurant overlooking the lake? I had a hazelnut gnocchi, great Italian wine and a tiramisu. This is such a cute Italian village with great food and so much art. Do you remember Castro dei Volsci? It's like an amazing storybook village. I showed you a great place to stay and more amazing Italian food.
And this is what they have for breakfast every morning.
Maybe I had a little too much wine. I also took you to see some of the local historical sites well worth visiting when you come here. I then took you to Sorrento, showed you an amazing B&B with the best view in Sorrento, cooked a healthy pasta recipe and took you along shopping with more pizza. Yep, also rented a scooter and showed you where to have the ride of your life on the Amalfi Coast. We visited Positano, then caught a train back to the airport. Now let's rewind back to Dubai. I showed you this amazing Atlantis hotel, an underwater restaurant with 14-course dinner, a lunch on the 122nd floor of the world's tallest tower, Burj Khalifa. I also showed you a 5-star desert safari with amazing food in the middle of the desert. Now let's rewind back to Lombok. Yes, I showed you those 5 amazing different villas from hilltop to beachfront. Took you snorkeling to the Gili Islands and to a cooking school. I filmed how to cook traditional Indonesian meals plus innovative Lombok cuisine. What an amazing year 2019 has been. So what's on for 2020? Well, I'm listening to you guys. I will continue my traditional simple Mediterranean style dishes as well as a strong focus on healthier meal options. Plus, as requested by you, more plant-based meals. I'll also be releasing a new podcast. Now, this will allow me to chat to you about so much more, focusing on a healthier lifestyle.